After years of pain, friendship, loss, and war, Naruto Shippuden reaches its breathtaking conclusion with the Fourth Great Ninja War, where the destiny of the entire shinobi world is decided. After defeating Madara Uchiha, who sought to cast the world into an eternal illusion through the infinite Tsukuyomi, the heroes discover that he himself was just a pawn of a far greater being, Kaguya Ōtsutsuki, the progenitor of all chakra. Kaguya is a celestial being who consumed the fruit of the god tree thousands of years ago, becoming the first to wield chakra. Her desire to reclaim all chakra and control humanity drives her to battle Naruto Uzumaki, Sasuke Uchiha, Sakura Haruno, and Kakashi Hatake. With the guidance of the Sage of Six Paths, Naruto and Sasuke combine their ultimate powers, the Six Paths Sage Mode and the Rinnegan. Together with Sakura's final strike and Kakashi's aid, they manage to seal Kaguya away once again, ending her reign and saving the world from destruction. When the war ends, everyone awakens from the infinite Tsukuyomi. Peace seems close, yet one final battle remains, a fight not of hatred but of destiny. Sasuke, despite helping to save the world, cannot let go of his conviction that peace can only be achieved through revolution. He believes the current system of villages must be destroyed, and he must bear the world's hatred to unite it through control. Naruto, however, refuses to accept this. He believes true peace comes from understanding, connection, and forgiveness, not domination. The two meet at the Valley of the End, where Hashirama and Madara once fought. There, Naruto and Sasuke face each other one last time. Their clash is monumental. Rasengan against Chidori, belief against belief. Their powers shake the earth, and the valley becomes a battlefield of emotion and energy. As the fight drags on, both are exhausted, beaten, and bloodied. In their final exchange, they strike with everything they have left. The explosion leaves them both lying side by side, missing an arm each. In the quiet aftermath, Sasuke looks to the sky and finally understands Naruto's heart. Naruto never sought to defeat him, only to save him from his loneliness. Moved by his rival's persistence and faith, Sasuke admits his defeat, not through power, but through spirit. He smiles for the first time in years, shedding tears of understanding and remorse. The long cycle of hatred that began with Indra and Azura finally ends with them. Afterward, Sasuke is pardoned for his crimes and begins a journey of redemption to learn more about the world and himself. Kakashi becomes the sixth Hokage, leading the village into a new era of peace. Sakura continues her medical work, becoming one of the most respected ninja in the world. Naruto, the once lonely boy who was shunned by everyone, finally fulfills his lifelong dream. He becomes the seventh Hokage of Konohagakure, recognized and loved by all. The villagers cheer for him. The child who once wanted only to be seen is now the protector of everyone. The world has changed, and for the first time, it feels truly peaceful. Years later, Naruto marries Hinata Hyuga, the girl who always believed in him. They have two children, Boruto and Himawari. Sasuke marries Sakura, and they have a daughter, Sarada. The new generation grows up in a time of peace, carrying the will and dreams of their parents. In the final moments, Naruto stands proudly as Hokage, overlooking the village from his office. The sunlight shines over the faces carved into the Hokage monument, where his own face now stands among the legends. He smiles, not just because he achieved his dream, but because he finally found what he always longed for: love, friendship, and a world worth protecting. The story of Naruto Shippuden ends not with battle, but with peace, a legacy of courage, hope, and never giving up. And though his journey closes, the next generation begins, continuing the will of fire into the future.